Hi gentlemen, in this video I am going to demonstrate a quick demonstration of the finance and accounting module of our ERP system. Advanced iTech Solution, the company is implementing the ERP systems in the industry, having multiple modules with them and giving the live support to the customers in the region. So let's start the demonstration. Let me sign in with this user. Okay. This ERP is a multi-company structure. Is in multi-company structure means if a company is a group company and it has several sister companies with it, so all the companies can be created here and they can be linked with each other as in the group company, right? So this is a very good a very good feature when big companies are big companies want to implement the ERP and they want their all companies to come together under one roof, one umbrella. Okay, let's I have put, for the demo purpose, I have put 3 industries here: the industrial catering industry, a company, then the second company for trading and indenting, which is the import and export business, and the third one is the manufacturing industry, which is factories and those things. So let's go to the industrial catering, the first company. Okay, every user in the company belongs to a certain department. So whenever a user log in, he will be proceeded, he will go to the to his own department module by default. For example, this user belongs to finance department, so the user has login directly to the by default to the finance module. But from within the system, any user can go to another module, can swap the module if he is authorized by the control module of the system. For example, here he can go to the fixed asset, he can go to human resources, the complete supply chain. For this industry is here, starting from raw material till the sales invoices to the customer. Then the different module for the administration, database administration, ERP administration, supervision. So he can go from within the system to other modules. So let's go to the finance module, which is our scope right now. Okay. Every module has to start with the setup of the parameter. So this is the one-time setup. Okay, this is the master data which is being used in the whole system later and has to be defined once. What are these? The finance parameters. Okay, so certain parameters we define for the parameters. For example, how many levels in the chart of account. Okay, and things like that. Then there is a bank's integration. It is basically the complete bank module is there, which is integrated with the finance here. Then there are certain parameters of the finance, like ledger type, voucher type, account type, instrument type, and then the key area of the module, which is the chart of account. Let's see quickly the one by one. Ledger type. What is ledger type? Ledger type is simply the parties, those areas where the payment is coming and going. For example, 5 ledger types are defined here. What are customers? Payment is coming, payment received from there. Suppliers, payment gone. Banks, payment coming and going both. Vehicles, payment going if you are purchasing a vehicle or you are doing some maintenance of the vehicle. Employees, yes, payment going to give some benefits to the employees out of the payroll, from finance, checks and other things. So these are the ledger types, and when you click one, you go to the actual customers which are in the system, which are called the subsidiary ledgers, the sub ledgers in finance. Okay, so similarly, if you select supplier, all the suppliers will be there, and you select banks, all the bank will be there. Similarly, the another one is voucher type. The 4 or 5 voucher types are there: bank payment voucher, bank receipt voucher, cash payment voucher, cash receipt voucher. These are being used. Then the instrument type, we have multiple instrument types to make the payment or receive the payment: check, cash, pay order, demand draft, online, which is very common these days, TT when we want some transaction out of the country, telegraphic transfers and all those things. Well, let's come to the chart of account, which is the most important area and the key area of this module. Every module has it's a key area. For example, the HR and payroll key area is the employee codes. The financial key area is the chart of account. Okay, the inventory and purchase modules key area is the item codes. Okay, so let's see. The chart of account has been can be defined at 5 different levels. We have 5 levels. If you see the SAP and Oracle, and the 5 levels are there even. So if you use the 5 levels to generate the chart of account, your company is totally open, to make the network of the chart of account. You are not restricted anywhere, that if any new account come or new group come or new group in between comes, then where should we go? So this is, for example, look, the first one, this is the first level, non-current asset. Then there is a 1 okay, then there is a then there is a 1 this is the third level, then fourth level, then fifth level. What is this? Non-current assets, then tangible assets at 111. Okay, what is 112? The 112 is the non-tangible assets. Okay, then against the 111 we have the cost. Okay, and these sort of costs are being coming in this company. What are those? Air condition cost, computer, printer, furniture, fixture, kitchen, office equipment, mobile units, motor vehicles, freehold office land, whatever. So this is the the cost layer, and the fifth level is the zero level on which the transactions is being made in the finance. Okay, similarly the second one is the accumulated depreciation, the depreciation area here, all the depreciation, computers, equipment, furniture, this and that. And then the intangible assets, for example, which is the cost which is coming, for example, our ERP system they are implementing, that is the intangible area. Okay, so this is where, and it is being created in a very simple way. You just go and give the name and save there, and it will come here directly under 9 as as 10. For example, let me select one, which is this one. I want to add another ledger account. I just go there and say test account. That's it. All other things are displayed by the system, and I put a test account and generate CUA. What it will do? It will generate the next number, which is 10. Automatically all these characters and all this string are being maintained by the system, and then as soon as we save it, it will save, it will come out of that screen, and it will put test account here as number 10. So anywhere you see this is a chart of account for this industry, a big one chart of account is a complete industry is there. So the chart of account is very much flexible and very good to generate with us. Then we have the vouchers here. We generate the vouchers. Okay, you say what type of voucher to generate, then the instrument type. Okay, you say check, it asks you the check, it asks you the check number. Okay, then it will ask you the date of the check. Okay, then you go to the ledger account. Okay, you select the ledger account there, in any ledger account, office equipment cost. Okay, you say that I will pay $1,000 here. Then you can charge each and every entry for a particular project. Okay, this is important to understand by the finance guys. It can be charged to a particular project. Tomorrow you can generate report, this project, how much cost is there for the office equipment for Saman 1, or how much cost is there for WGSL or so. Then we charge to the ledger type, which to charge, and the bank payment voucher to whom? To customer. Okay, as soon as we select customer, all the suppliers are here. Okay, to charge whom? Let's charge Asia Rice Mill. Okay, and similarly we add another one. This is a debit entry. Then we put a credit entry somewhere, cash in bank or whatever, or cash at bank, or to charge or whatever. We put the 1,000 same here. Okay, and we generate and save, and this voucher will be created of voucher amount 1,000. Like for example, this is already created bank payment voucher for check. We created it here. Okay, this is the bank payment voucher. So this way the vouchers are being created, the vouchers are being forwarded for verification, and then they are approved. Everything online, no paperless, everything online, and they are posted to the GL. This is the utilities, the opening balances, the budget from department, the budget from finance, things are there. Then the reporting area, trial balance and balance sheet and other things. You see the trial balance. Okay, so this is the report showing the trial balance. Then we have the accounts payable, which is integration area connected to other modules, like it is connected to purchase module. This data has come from human resources module. This is the purchase order 129. What is the purchase order? You can see from the finance, you go, the purchase data has come here directly. Okay, so this is the way you can use the finance module. So let me summarize it. It's very simple to use. It's very user friendly. It's not like SAP or Oracle difficult. We just give you 2 days training and you can start the module. Thank you very much to be with us.